Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm finally going to be putting on my new wheels that I got. So I just finished installing my new coils, which is why my hands are super dirty. But I'm starting this video right after I ended the other one, so if I'm in the same setting, that is why. But I wanted to put on my wheels today because I've been waiting for like 2 or 3 days now, and I'm very excited and anxious to be putting them on already. So I'm just gonna pop them on really quick and show you guys, and probably add a vlog at the end because it's not going to be a very long video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So the wheels I ended up going with are the Kansei KNP wheels, and I actually got them used, but I got a pretty good deal on them and they were in pretty good condition, so I went with those. But they're not brand new, but it's okay. I plan to get them powder coated so they'll look pretty brand new and really good, and I'm excited to do that. So the wheels are 18x9 with a 35 offset, and the tires they are on are actually the ones that the guy had on himself. So I do plan to change those out, but the ones they are on right now are 225/40/18 tires. So if anyone has any recommendations on what you guys like or what would look good, let me know. I'm open to different ideas. So yeah, so do plan to fix the whole front fitment situation because I'm not really liking how much it's poking out, like, at all. So I got some camber bolts that I'm gonna put in soon, and then I'm probably gonna end up rolling my fenders so that I can go a little bit lower, and I just think it looks so much better. Like, I'm gonna try to match the front fitment of how the rear looks a little bit, and then we'll see from there. So after I do all of those little adjustments, I do plan to go a little bit lower, and hopefully by then everything will look solid. But for the meantime, I really like the wheels. I had liked those before from Kansei, but I didn't know if to go for them, and when I saw this opportunity, I had to take it. So I'm really happy that I went with them, and now I just have to fix a little bit things here and there just so it can look extra good. But for the meantime, I'm liking it. So for the rest of the video, it's just gonna be a little vlog from the day after that I put my wheels on. So yeah, I went to 2 different car meets because, you know, how to show off the wheels, even though it's not looking that good yet. But yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
I looked at it, they said plug and play. I was like, oh, thanks.
Everyone say hi to my video.
Hi.
Where did they go? Are they...
Just
say hi to my vlog.
Hey.
Okay. What?
Oh,
Kevin.
I was just
Janet.
Water bottle over there.
They're so cute. There's Tony.
Back.
They have a bunch of lotuses, bro.
Okay. me getting the shots.
I protested at the pad.
It's everyone. Use it.
Oh wait, yeah, you're missing your bandana. Yeah, those, yeah, those. Let me see.
What's your opinions on my wheels?
Alright. Busted. I like them. Gray goes good with white. Yeah,
You heard it here. They look good.
I approve. I mean, coil.
What do you think about them?
Honestly, okay. I tint these.
Nah, I don't.
Here, fitment is means, you know, pristine. We're classy over here.
Tony doesn't agree with that. Tony doesn't agree with
Here
that.
is pristine.
Like
It's perfect for daily drive. We can't curse. Family
Okay,
channel.
go get.
Pristine.
effing mean. But the front, like a little bit, like you know.
No, yeah. The
We're
front
getting
needs.
told-
So the front fitment needs a little bit tweaking, but she's gonna be hot boy, cambering it, and
A little
gonna roll
bit.
the fenders.
Baby camber, baby
roll
camber.
roll the fenders a little bit, you know. And cut the coils in half and drop that.
A Supra's gonna park next to me.
That's not a Supra, that's a BMW. For
Okay.
your information.
Okay.
BMW is
Is this Bimmer gonna park next to me? We got
I
Dan.
see Titan reposting it. I was like, okay.
Huh?
Am I gonna come out on YouTube?
My video. Opinions for my YouTube on the wheels. Wait.
Go ahead. Speak in the mic. So what do you think about the new wheels?
Okay, let's go.
Smeets.
What?
That's your opinion?
Yeah. And okay, cut it.
Okay, cut.
Cut, okay.
Okay, are they Dan
okay.
approved?
Hey, guys, Autobots, roll out. Oh, you got that?
He has
I
everybody
approve.
waiting too.
Hella meat. You need to adjust
boys.
that camera.
Yeah, I know, everyone, I know.
But I'm telling her
It's
how
good,
like
it's good. It's
my-
coming along good, Alex. It's coming along good.
Meat fitment.
Thank you. It's half dad approved until I fix that. You know what? It's not Alex approved either until I fix that too, so.
Follow the homegirl, Alex FRS.
Follow the homegirl.
Panda here.
Literally.
Fast delivery.
I haven't seen it
That's
though.
the one guy.
Mark my words. I'm gonna have a Subi.
Okay, everyone, mark his words.
We're
He's gonna get a
speak it into
Subi.
existence. He's about to mean gap you. He's gonna be the fastest guy.
That smells bomb. Or what? Let.
Hey, you want to try the chicken? Try two. Try the chicken, brother. Here, try it. This out. Let me know how this chicken is, alright?
I got my cameraman right now.
Oh, let's go. All right, try it.
It has a good smell to it. It's juicy.
I don't even smell it.
It's juicy.
It's fire.
Good smell.
Bomb.
That's nice.
Want to try that? Try two.
Yeah, I'm down.
We're like starved. Think about it.
Bomb.
Did you guys try it? No. You missed out.
Wait, can I get it?
He's doing tri-tip.
Yeah, this one. Sure, brother. Try it out, man. You need to try it out.
Thank you. Let's try it. Go.
Pretty bomb too.
Oh, it's perfect, juicy. It's tender.
Oh, you should try the chicken, but in la quesadilla, bro. Oh,
That would.
follow me on Mr. Smoke Pit.
Blur it out.
You guys follow me, I'll hook you guys up. You guys are more than welcome. Catering, we do meal preps with that chicken. So if you guys are into meal preps, get that chicken.
Okay.
Spread it out, you know?
Here you go. This is the food, so you know.
It's right there.
Check the guy out. This is the cook right here behind. Yep.
I'll put everything.
Yep.
Usually goes to more stuff with pico de gallo, salsa. We got, if you like spicy stuff, we got chilies I grew myself.
Oh.
Good, bro.
You need to do a
We're
taste.
good with the plate that we can put it on there as, you know, for your name.
No, I'll put it on there regardless. I'm good.
I'll give it to you for free. So you can try it out. What do you guys want? You
right.
like grilled onions,
I don't like onions or
I can
anything.
put on the side.
No.
Like no vegetable, like
no
whatsoever?
vegetables, no
onions at all?
No.
I mean, do you guys like onions?
Bro, because the pico de gallo has onions. What about watermelon?
Yeah.
No.
No, nothing. She doesn't eat any fruit.
I know, people are always surprised.
Mangoes?
But no.
Nothing.
Why?
Literally nothing.
We got the hose. The hose right
The
here.
hose.
Freestyle.
Hey, mask on or mask off?
I mean, you want to reveal who's the host or no?
Everyone.
Mukbang.
A
Alright, let's see it.
Yeah. I never had
Tell
one
us.
of those. Pass up. No, I'm kidding.
So, smoke pits, barbecue grill, kills. The meat's freaking delicious, only 10 bucks.
Tommy's over here ordering.
Yeah, alright.
Hey, come.
You like it?
Little man? Yeah.
He likes it.
Little man
Good?
approved. Little man approved.
It's good.
What's your opinion?
Yeah, why
You guys like it?
The quesadilla had a lot of cheese, and the meat was pretty good.
Okay.
Overall, I liked how it was slightly crisp on one side, and the other side was like a little bit soft.
What do you
Yeah,
think?
what's your opinion?
Roy.
That's good texture. No, that's important. That's important.
Okay, smart.
That's it.
Gordon Ramsay?
What is texture?
Bro, explain to me. Alright. Oh, we got freestyle going on too.
Straight spit on you all over you.
Are you homestay still?
All I smoke Corona.
Daddy Yankee rapping like he's Eminem, but I'm his friend, so I'm not gonna talk more shit, man. I gotta put that shit to the end. I'ma rap this shit so quick, man. I can't
Can you redo that?
catch my lips.
Okay, wait. It's a carmy. Alright, back to the food. Back to the food.
We're making a quick shift. Thank you.
All in one.
Trying a plain quesadilla because that's all I like.
So, what's your honest opinion?
It's good. The chicken just hits different.
I already tried the chicken. Now I'm trying it out in a quesadilla. Shout out to Alex FRS for hooking it up.
This turned into a food channel.
ASMR. Real quick.
So cheesy, soft chicken. I give it
Bomb.
a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
And it's coming from a taquero, bro. He's a taquero. Hey, hit him up.
Taco lost the dog. You already know.
Hardworking man. Yeah, that's like out with my dogs, bro.
Came to In-N-Out because the Cane's line was way too long, and Tony's gonna take some pictures. We got, look at these guys. They both got out. Oh my goodness. Now we got Kevin taking pictures of his car. We got Milan.
His taillights go with my car. The springs are gonna break.
They're gonna all go through the drive-thru.
Honda, bro. We should be fine.
Ain't it? Alright, we're sitting like this. Bet.
That is not.
We're right here, right next to me.
Go Milan.
Come on, Sebas. Sebas. Alright, bro.
Hey, yep.
Work close. Hey,
What the fuck?
Sit right here.
I got
Sit right here.
It's like you failed
That shit hurted, bro.
Literally.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I just saved you. Hey, we should have done that.
Apple
You didn't
CarPlay.
get this.